If you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please go to the subscribe button, red color, and click this. And if you want to get notification of each video, so select all here. So now you have subscribed our channel, you will get new video every time. Now in the next part we will fix here that plate and bottom plate also. Now to move this plate, we have to fix cylinder here. So we fix here that housing for this. You can see that this is the at the center. So we will fix here cylinder, two cylinder for this and two cylinder for this. This is the housing. If sometime your housing alignment will not proper, so that time your cylinder shaft will be bent. So you have to keep watching this video and have to check your machine. The cylinder should be, this alignment should be proper and in one straight line. If your suppose that your hinge has been broken and you made a new one and you fix on the machine and alignment of 2 or 3 mm difference with your original, so that time your shaft of your cylinder will be bent. And we fixed the two support for your cylinder, that for this plate, when both side, when we give the pressure from the bottom, so it will be go upside, and also from upside we have to give the pressure, so it will be open. In the rubber press we use a different type of cylinder. We will tell you now. You can see that cylinder for your plate, yellow color we made because all cylinder are same, so color will be same. But to teach you that to tell you that what is the function for that, so we made a different color here. You can see that yellow color for bottom and this color brown color for upper side. When it will be go this side, so this plate will go this side, and when it will be work, so that time it go for left side. This plate will go upside, and this plate should not come downside. So we fix 4 support here. One, this is the fixed on your base, one this side and one this side. This is that 4 number. So this plate will not come downside. It will, when it will be downside, that time it will be hang on this support. So there are the function of this machine. This plate will move up and down, but it will be come to the bottom. It will not come to the bottom, it will be hang at the middle, and this will come to the bottom, and also this will be fixed on the upside. The purpose of this plate, you can see that 2 mold upside and 2 mold downside. So we are making 4 mold one time we are taking the production from them. Now you can see that we fixed handle there. This handle for your this press, when cylinder will be go forward side, so through this handle, because handle tight on your plate, so that time plate will be come outside. When it will be go inside, so that time your plate will be go inside. The both system are the same, upside and downside. So when here that because the 2 cylinder are working at the same time, so we have to join this cylinder pipe one end. We will tell you that we will describe here in the our circuit that slide in and slide out, means that this is slide in when it will be inside, so slide in, and when it will be go outside, both side, because function for the both side, both down and upside same, because plate will, that mold will come outside same time and close same time. So we can join 4 cylinder, this out back side of this cylinder and back side of this cylinder. So it means when pressure will come from back side, so it means that to slide out, and when we will tell that slide is going inside, it means that time pressure will come in the front, so that time mold is going to our machine. Here you can see that pressure is the slide in and slide out only. Slide in means that both plate upper and down slide is going inside. When it will be in, so it means slide in, both plates in. And when we will tell that slide out, so it means that slide out of both sides. So because we have fixed one valve for two molds, two side, two plates, so it means that one valve will work for 4 cylinder same time. Also in our circuit, that limit in means that both limit upper side and down side limit command with that both limit switch will be in series. So command we will get one command, limit in. Limit in means the slide has been come inside, and also a limit out means limit that slide has been gone outside, and also limit down means that press has been come downside at the bottom now, and limit up means that press has been closed, that it means that press is closed at the upside. And this is the pressure switch. We have to told you that pressure switch means that it will be work when pressure will go inside, and suppose that we have set the pressure 170 kg, so it means that after 170 kg when pressure will be will come to this pressure switch, it will be open or closed. So it means that one NO and NC will be there, like contactor, relay, temperature controller, and in as in your timer. Already we have told you in our previous video that what is the function of your this thing, that this item. All these items will work accordingly this. And so the pressure switch also same. The pressure switch only will take the pressure, and NO and NC will be operate what we have set there. So that is the pressure switch. Also, if we are going with our PLC, we made the PLC, we will tell you that PLC also in this series. So that you can see that press in and press out. Only one command is coming to our PLC. This is not depend that which is the command, that both command, that cylinder is in or cylinder is out. Now that is clear that both plate will work same, because pressure will come same time. And also that upper side, it will be goes upside when it will become downside. And to operate this press up down, because the slide is completed, we will operate now up and downside. We will make here some support for your cylinder also here, and also the bottom side. Now we fix the bottom cylinder. You can see that one cylinder to give the pressure, our press, to lift the press, this bottom plate to upside, and also that cylinder, it will be, we will not fix this cylinder on this. It will be only to press, or it will not fix on this supporter. It will be work only, it will be press this support to operate our cylinder up and down only. And this cylinder, this big cylinder, the 2-cylinder blue color cylinder, we only get the pressure to pressurize this cylinder, this press, because there are, if you will see that, you have to watch here, pay your attention here, that this plate, bottom plate, one cylinder upside and one cylinder downside, and this is the at the middle of this your plate press, this plate, and this fixed on your not your sliding plate. This is fixed on your bottom plate, which is fixed on your cylinder piston of cylinder. And when we will press upside, so it will go upside and downside also. So only 2 cylinder for this. This will be press this cylinder to downside, because we have not attached this support. So it will be work to down and it will be work for up. But pressure will come when we will give the pressure downside. Suppose we want to up, so that time we will use this cylinder. When we will we want to press this press bottom side, we will give the pressure here. One side cylinder only, one stroke, and this is a 2-stroke. But when pressure will come this cylinder this side, so that time pressure will come this side. So it will be go downside and it will be press this plate, the bottom plate downside. And what is the purpose of this? We will tell you. Now your press is completed, and this that red color 4 cylinder to press your this press middle press to downside, and to press only downside, not for upside. The upside, when press your that slide. Now we will tell you that now you can see here. Suppose now your slide is inside and your press is going upside. So upside, when that there are the gap for your mold, we assume that mold is here and two mold here and two mold here. So that time when we will close this press, so for this pressure, that pressure will work for this or, and also your locking pressure, cylinder pressure will work upside. It will be, when pressure will come, so it will be go upside, and upside means that when it will be closed, so that time no need extra pressure for this middle press, because this bottom press will press our mold and this press also. Only opening time we need to open this middle plate, that time this red color cylinder will be work, and also that your blue color cylinder will be press your bottom plate also. So that is the equation only. And here if we are using this piston as your piston type piston rod we are using, so no need to this cylinder, because there are already piston is inbuilt. We are using here that only piston rod, not piston. So it means that we need cylinder here, and if we can use the three type of pressure, because that our pump is making the same pressure, suppose 150 or 180 or 180. So we need to close our press, slide closing in or out 30 kg or 35 kg, and to open that press only 90 kg, and when we need locking pressure 170 or 175 as per our drawing. You can see here that this is the pressure in 30 kg in our slide to operate, and 90 kg for our mold up and down this side. If we did not fix an extra pump there, so, and there are no circuit to relieve our valve, so that time we can use that same pressure in this to close and this open. Only that that speed of your press will increase, because it will be go fast closing and opening. So guys, next video we will tell you that how to operate this machine. Thank you very much.